Students, we have already done two parts of present tense, present simple and present continuous. Today we will do present perfect tense. In present perfect tense, has and have helping verbs are used. Has is used with he, she, it and singular. Have is used with I, we, you, they and plurals. See the sentence structure of this tense. Subject plus has, have plus V3 plus object. V3 we can also say past participle form of the verb. Has or have, with has or have we should always use third form of the verb. While making negative sentences, the structure is subject plus has, have plus note plus V3 and object. Has and have are the helping verbs and V3 means note is always used between helping verb and the main verb. While making questions, has and have come before subject and after that third form of the verb is used and at the end we put a question mark. Let us see the example. He has done his work. According to he, we have used here has and then third form of the verb. In second sentence, I have not eaten my food. Here pronoun is I and according to I we have used here have and then note for the negative. In third sentence, have you completed your work? Have is used before subject and at the end question mark. Now let us learn where to use present perfect tense. It is used to express an action just completed. For example, the train has just arrived means just. The work just completed. In second sentence, the teacher has already come in the class. It is also used to express past action where time of happening is not mentioned. For example, have you seen the Taj? In second sentence, I have seen it twice means both the work happened in the past but the time of action is not mentioned. To express an action completed sometime in the past but linked with present. For example, I have cut my finger means in past I have cut my finger, now it is bleeding means the effect of that work is in the present. In second sentence, I have completed my work. It means I am free now. Another use of present perfect tense is we can use this tense with just, already, before, yet or ever words. Ever is mostly used in questions. For example, I haven't seen this movie yet. Yet is used here. With these words we use present perfect tense. In second example, I have just taken a glass of milk. And in third one, have you ever taken part in a play? This is question and we have used here ever. Has and have are used without third form of the verb in present simple tense, where these are used to suggest possession. We can use these only in simple present tense. For example, I have a severe headache. We are talking about possession. He has a car or she has a big house means they possess these things, a car or a house. Let us do the fourth one, present perfect continuous tense. The sentence structure for this tense is subject plus has or have plus being plus V1 plus ing since and or for and plus time. See here, for perfect we have used here has or have, and for continuous we have used here V1 plus ing, and to connect both of them we have used here been. And since or for will be used for the time, since for exact time and for the period of time. While making negative sentence, we will use not before being, and the structure will be subject plus has or have plus no plus being plus V1 plus ing plus since or for, and after that time. While making questions, helping verb has or have according to subject will come before the subject, and after that being, then V1 plus ing, then since or for, and after that time, and at the end we will put a question mark. Now let us see where to use since and where to use for. Since is used to suggest the point of time, means exact time at which the action started. For example, since 7 a.m., since 2010, since Monday, since May, since Diwali, since morning, since yesterday. Means for exact time, for year where the year mentioned, for name of days, for name of months, for name of festivals, for exact time, morning or evening, and with yesterday also we will use since. For is used to suggest period of time when exact time is not mentioned. For example, 2 hours, 5 years, 10 days, 6 months, centuries, or a long time. With these we will use for. Now see where to use present perfect continuous tense. This tense is used to express an action that began in the past and has been in progress till the time of speaking. Means it is not completed. It started in the past but not completed yet. For example, I have been waiting for the bus since 7 o'clock. Since 7 o'clock. Here since is used because exact time is given here, and I have been waiting for the bus means I started before, I started in the past, still I am waiting, means the action began or started in the past and it is in progress at the time of speaking. See second example, it has been raining for 15 minutes. Here I have used a for 15 minutes means the time is not exact which 15 minutes. I have been teaching since 2000. With 2000 since is used for 20 years, means I have been teaching since 2000 or I have been teaching for 20 years. Students, we have completed our present tense. I'll be back soon with past tense.